kay ti Manawon. Kailangan kay gamin ti Agisuro. Nga magamin ni Boson. Na makatututurun. Ala, sorry kuya. Ay, alam mo magsalita ng Nihongo?
Opo.
Naghahanap kasi kami ng empleyado. Kunin ka na lang namin.
Ay, sige po. Sakto, nag-a-apply po ako. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sakto, nakita kita kanina. Naghahanap kasi kami ng empleyado na magaling magsalita ng Nihongo. Pwede ka pa magpakilala in Nihongo language?
Sige po, ma'am. Konnichiwa, watashi wa numaiwa, Silido Hinis des. Watashi wa Philippine karakimashita.
Sugoy, magaling kang talaga magsalita ng Nihongo. No.
Sakto, ma'am. May hinanda po akong tour package para sa inyo.
Okay sir, you may now present your tour package.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Silido Hinis Jr. Welcome to the Anitayo Travel Agency. Your journey, our commitment. First is El Nido, Palawan. Travel itinerary. El Nido, Palawan, 4 days and 3 nights. Guests, 5 packs, Japanese family. 2 adults, 3 children. Location, El Nido, Palawan, Philippines. Travel type, family tour. Currency, Philippine peso.
Magaling, maganda. Pakiantay na lang ako at tawagan ko ang aking boss.
Sige po.
Congratulations, Sir Venus. Tanggap ka na. Pwede ka na magsimula bukas.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Meron na po akong nahanap na magaling magsalta ng Nihongo. Mr. Joselito Gines.
Konnichiwa! Congratulations! We're looking forward for your excellent service at sana maging masaya ang mga magiging guest mo in the near future dito sa aming company. Thank you for accepting the work and may we start our day.
Thank you. Minasan, ohayo gozaimasu. Watashi wa Chugaido Silido desu. And we are now at Hotel Van Gogh at Canton Ilocos. This is where you stay and have your leisure time. And we are here at Canton City Arena. Nagaganap ang event and sports ng mga iba't ibang player dito sa Pilipinas. Kyowa arigatou gozaimasu.
Do you know that tour guides are not just storytellers? We are also problem solvers, cultural ambassadors, and sometimes even emergency responders. In Japanese, we call it omotenashi. Omotenashi means wholehearted service. Omotenashi to wa kokoro kara no service desu. There is a chance to share stories, culture, and experiences. Kaya kapag nakita mong masaya yung tourist mo, that's when you know you did your job, right? Always remember, service is not about perfection. It's about sincerity. Maging totoo ka lang. Be patient and always give your best.